So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Clings. You guys, in this video I'm gonna do something different because you guys have asked me so much about isolated chrome. It's like something that I know it's so difficult to do, but I will make it easy in this video for you. I will break it down and show you the products that I use for the isolated chrome so you guys have the perfect outcome every time. Okay, so you guys have messaged me. I will put all your reactions right here. You have asked me so much about the isolated chrome, so yeah, this is gonna be a different type of videos because I want to educate you guys. I'm gonna put you on it. Okay, I just want to put you guys on these nail hacks so you can also have the perfect nails. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this in this video, so let's dive right into it. I'm gonna show you it on this nail design that I'm doing, and so you can also see that you can do it with all types of designs. It just depends what you want to do, so that's what we're gonna do in this video. Okay, so I've already did my design, and where you see like these gaps, I'm gonna do like a isolated chrome. Well, isolated chrome means that you're gonna do like a chrome on only a part of the nail, so you can do it like as a heart, as a star, dots, everything you want. It's just the same technique that we're gonna use. Just do your design or do the base of your nail, and then you can draw like a chrome star. If you want a chrome star or a chrome heart or a chrome line, and you want it to be only that part to be chrome, that's what we're gonna do right now. So I'm gonna do these gaps here. I'm gonna draw the Frenchie. Also, like here, I'm gonna do the chrome. So that means isolated chrome. So the first thing that I'm using for the isolated chrome, which is one of the most important parts, so you don't have like the parts that you have like glittery residue on the nail, is our special matte top coat. So the special matte top coats prevent the chrome glitter or chrome powder to stick on the other parts of the nail. Okay, so you want a matte base. So not all matte top coats does the same thing. If you don't have that, you can use some base coat, clean the tacky layer after you cure it, and then buff it as a smooth surface, or just smooth the nail a really smooth surface. But sometimes it can get some chipping, so because the surface is too smooth. So you have to try out this part, but you need to have a smooth surface before applying your design. Okay, so I'm gonna apply a thin layer of the special matte top coat over the entire nail where I want my chrome design to be. Make sure you cover the whole nail so you know that you have a coated nail. Okay, I'm just gonna do that on all the nails where I'm gonna use my chrome powder. Okay, so now that the nail is matte, because I didn't do it in this one because I'm not going to do a isolated chrome on the pinky. Now that the nails are matte, I'm gonna use our painting gel number 2 and our Infinity Inspirations liner brush, the 11mm one. I'm just gonna use it. If you want to like make thinner design with more precise things, you can just cut some hairs off from the brush, but I'm gonna use these two to make the lines. So the reason why I'm using a black painting gel is because the black painting gel doesn't have a sticky residue, so you don't want a sticky residue on your nail. The part that you're gonna rub your chrome in, which will be your design, you cannot have a sticky residue. Okay, sometimes top coats cure faster than other brands, so you have to know what brand you have, but most of the time you will cure it for 60 seconds. Otherwise, if it doesn't stick, you know that you have to make it for 30 seconds under the lamp. So it depends, but for the painting gel, this black painting gel I'm using, I'm gonna do it for 1 minute. Okay, so I'm just only painting where I want the chrome to stick on, which will be this stripe, this part of the nail. The most important thing is that you have a straight design. If you make a mistake, you have to get it off completely, because you don't want, if it sticks to just one little part, it will stick afterwards when you have applied it under the lamp. So make sure you just get that part off. You just want to have clean nails, okay? So a clean surface, I mean a base. So this is a really thick painting gel, and you can also see it has a little bit of texture. That's because the product is really thick, and especially for like sharp lines or sharp designs. So I love my black painting gel though, but if you think you don't want that texture, you can mix it with a little bit of our gloss top, or just the gloss top top coat you have, to make sure it's more watery. And then you can also get the same effect, but then just with less texture. But if you're going to just use top coat on the nail for like a chrome effect, you may have to make sure you cure it just less. You can't cure it for 60 seconds. I think you have to cure it for 30 seconds. It depends the brand of top coat you have. And I'm just using the tip of my brush, so I don't have too much of the texture. And sometimes I just like to paint the design that I want. So if I have a star or anything, I just would love to just leave that and go to the other nail. I'm not gonna flash cure it in between, because then the painting gel is gonna sit a little bit and it's less like with the texture. So that's also a good tip that you can use. Make sure it's smooth, because you will see everything with your chrome. Okay, so I'm happy and satisfied, and now I'm gonna put this one under your lamp again for 60 seconds. Make sure your thumb is good under the lamp, otherwise it will leave a black sticky mess. Okay, so for the next part, I'm gonna use some chrome, some gold chrome. This one is from Kiara Sky. You can just use any brand, by the way. You can just use from AliExpress, Shein. Chrome doesn't matter. If you like it, just use it. It's the most important thing is your base or the things that you do around it, okay? So I'm just gonna use the chrome and a makeup applicator. You can use like a makeup sponge or sometimes also your finger, but chrome sticks everywhere, so don't do that. And I'm just gonna do just a little bit, not too much, because chrome goes a long way. Just like this, and just rub it just where you want your chrome to stick. And as you can see, it's already sticking only at that part. It's not sticking on the rest of the nail because of the special matte top coat. So I'm gonna do the same on the other design. So I'm gonna do the same on the other designs, or on the other nails, because it's the same design. And just rub it in, make sure it's on all creases and crannies. And as you can see, this one has a little bit of texture, but that's actually really what I like in this design. Just a little bit of the lines. That's what I think makes it more nice. But if you don't like this, you can just mix it just a little bit with top coat. It will be thinner, so you will not have any texture. Then you can just use a brush to dust everything off. I like to rub my finger in it to make it sticks. So when I'm going in with my top coat, it doesn't get on the nail. Rub it in, get it off. Okay, so next for the part of encapsulating the chrome, because a lot of people have issues that the chrome chips after a time. So what I do to prevent this, I'm using our 3D gel and our oval brush. This is our oval brush to encapsulate the nail design. So I'm just using just a little bit just over the place that I have my isolated chrome. Just a thin layer. A little bit goes a long way. If you want to, you can put it over the entire nail. It doesn't matter. I just like to put it on the part. Okay, so last but not least, we are just gonna use our glossy top coat. You can use every top coat that you like, that you use for this process to just finish your nail that you normally use. I'm using our glossy top coat. And then you can just top off the nail. And I've cured the 3D gel also for 60 seconds under the lamp. And now I'm going in with my top coat. Make sure it's clean without any building. So this is how you do a perfect isolated chrome every time. I'm gonna apply some cuticle oil. The nails are cured under the lamp. I'm using our cutie oil strawberry and it smells so good. So I'm gonna apply that on the nails. You can just massage it in. And that's the final result. The perfect thing is that we have our isolated chrome kit. So you don't have to think what product you have to use, which one you don't have to use. We have the isolated chrome. We have put a isolated chrome kit for you guys. You will receive the special matte top coat, the glossy top coat, the 3D gel, the painting gel number 2, and also the liner and a oval brush. So this is what you will get in the isolated chrome kit. So you will reach a beautiful, perfect isolated chrome every time. So yeah, you guys, this is the end result. I really hope you've liked it. Let me know if you have learned something. And I actually think that you have like the perfect outcome right now every time using this product. Also just doing the technique, it's so easy, and I know that you're gonna be the best nail tech that you have in your country or where you live or where you are. Okay, so thank you so much. Let me know what you guys would like me to show you in the next video or what you want to learn. I will make a video for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.